So, if you're watching this video, I suggest you watch the video on DNA before getting right into this video, where I'm going to be talking about the difference between DNA and RNA. They are both essential for life, but they have some key differences that make each of them unique. First of all, let's get into structure. DNA, as we know, is a double-stranded molecule, kind of like a twisted ladder. But RNA, it's single-stranded. Think of it as a one-sided version of that ladder, that double helix that we talked about in DNA. RNA's single strand gives it more flexibility, allowing it to take on a variety of shapes and perform different jobs in the cell. Another difference is the sugar in the backbone. DNA uses a sugar called deoxyribose, while RNA uses ribose. The key difference? The deoxy part of the deoxyribose means one less oxygen atom compared to ribose. Sounds small, but it is a big deal in how they function. Now, let's talk about the bases. DNA uses 4 nitrogenous bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. But RNA is a tad bit different. Instead of thymine, it uses uracil. That's why when RNA pairs with DNA during transcription, which I'll talk about in another video, you'll see that adenine pairs with uracil, not thymine. So what does RNA actually do? While DNA stores and transfers genetic information, RNA plays a more active role. It's like the messenger. RNA carries the instructions from DNA to the cell's machinery, where proteins are made. In fact, messenger RNA, or mRNA, is the one that travels out of the nucleus to the ribosomes to guide protein synthesis, the creation of proteins. There are also 2 other important types of RNA. Transfer RNA, or tRNA, helps bring the right amino acids to the ribosome, while ribosomal RNA, or rRNA, is a core part of the ribosome itself, helping to assemble proteins. Again, we're going to be talking about transcription and translation in more detail another time. So in short, while DNA stores the genetic blueprint, RNA helps carry out the work like an essential messenger and assistant in the cell. Now that's the big difference. DNA is the blueprint and RNA is the worker. Now, you can see how these 2 molecules are different, but also how they actually depend on each other to keep life running smoothly.